days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The 7 days of the week. And they go around in that cycle. That's 1 week, another week, another week, and it keeps on going like that. What day comes after Wednesday? Well, there's Wednesday. Which comes after Wednesday? That would be Thursday. What day comes before Sunday? Let's find Sunday firstly, and the day before Sunday is Saturday. If today is Thursday, what is tomorrow? Well, there's Thursday. Now tomorrow means the next day, and that would be Friday. So tomorrow means the next day. If today is Monday, what was yesterday? Well, let's find Monday firstly. Now yesterday means the day before, and that would be Sunday. What is 3 days after Sunday? Well, there's Sunday. We want 3 days after. That's 1 day after, 2 days after, 3 days after. So the answer is Wednesday. And remember, those 7 days make a week, and they just go round and